Section 7.5, example 1, we are going to understand the difference between qualitative and quantitative data and try to give some examples and decide what data is qualitative and quantitative. So first, let's read the definitions. Qualitative data, or categorical data, consist of labels or non-numerical entries that can be separated into different categories. When using qualitative data, operations such as adding or finding a mean do not make sense. Now, quantitative data consists of numbers that represent counts or measurements. So think of quantitative, if you know what the word quantity means, it's an amount of something, okay? And where quality is, again, a category, quality like eye color or, gender or that kind of thing, whereas quantitative actually is a numerical data. So these problems are pretty straightforward. One of them you may have a little bit of difficulty with, but let's see here. So tell whether these are qualitative or quantitative. First one, A, prices of used cars at a dealership. Well, those are prices, okay? One car might cost 25,000, one might cost 30,000, and so on. Those are definitely quantities, so that is a quantitative measurement, okay? Now, this one's kind of the tricky one right here. Jersey numbers on a basketball team, okay? If you say, okay, Johnny over there is number 12 and Marie is number 25, those numbers, they are numbers, but they're basically just labels on their shirt. You wouldn't add their jersey numbers. You wouldn't find the mean of them or anything like that. So this is actually a qualitative measurement. All the number is doing in this case is labeling something. Okay, it isn't really an amount of something. Lengths of songs played at a concert, well, the lengths, it could be several minutes long. Those are numbers again, so that would be quantitative. And then the last one, zodiac signs. Leo, Aries, Libra, Gemini, Capricorn. Those are not numbers. Those are, again, some labels. They're categories. That would be qualitative data. Okay? So, that's hopefully you understood that difference.